Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm at Tesco. Yes, this is a very big shopping mall. Will I call it shopping mall? Yeah, I came to purchase cake things from here. Yeah, cake items. So join me today as I shop for my cake things. First, I'll go pick a trolley straight to the cake or baking department. So let's do this together. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. I talk about UK, I talk about studying abroad, and I talk about motherhood. Everything happening around me is right here in UK. I film it right here. So feel free to join this lovely channel and feel free to ask questions if you have any question to ask. Okay, let's move. I noticed a lot of Christmas things have been displayed. Not only Christmas things, Halloween things, yeah, scary things, yeah. I think this is their Halloween season. I don't even understand much about that, but you can see all these masks, skeleton cloaks are for Halloween. You can see all this. These are for Halloween decoration. So some stores, they use scary things like skull to decorate their store. You'll be like, oh, what's going on here? So that's the season they are in. Soon we'll enter Christmas, and I saw a bit of Christmas things, Christmas tree out around. Okay, right now I want to pick some things for baking. If you don't know, I'm a baker, Niger baker. But he writes here based in the UK. Yeah, I'm starting off my baking business, or I call it business or career in the UK very soon. So I have to start picking things one after the other. This cake board, I just picked that. This baking powder, I was still contemplating whether I should take it or not. So I picked baking soda also. And I picked cupcakes. Yeah, we'll be caking it down in this channel, not in this channel. If you want to see how to bake cake, please go to Progressive Recipe. That's where I'm caking it. This chocolate, yeah, chocolate mousse. This particular chocolate is being melted and used to design cakes here. So I returned the first baking powder and baking soda I took because I noticed someone came and took the upper one. Like I said before, I'm new right here, so I don't really know what working, the product that is working more here. So when I saw somebody picking that, I rushed and changed it. That I lifted up was fondant. That's already prepared, made fondant. If you want these sprinkles for your cake decoration, if that's what you're looking for, you can see the prices listed out right here. This cake mix, all you need to do is just to mix and pour in your pan. This self-raising flour and plain flour. I need plain flour because I got baking powder already. But if you're going for self-raising flour, you don't need baking powder. Yeah, that's just the difference. So I keep checking. I needed this golden syrup and black charcoal. So I picked the two for Christmas cake because now I have some cash on me. So let me have it in the house already so that when I will be caking my Christmas cake, I won't, yeah, these dry fruits. I picked dry fruit. I wasn't okay when I saw the mixed one. I rushed and changed it immediately. I prefer the mixed one because it's all about Christmas. A lot of flavors need to enter. So I picked the mixed one. You can see it's mixed fruit. So I moved ahead to check for other things I needed for this baking to happen. So I checked this place, this sugar, all true. So I have to go back and pick eggs. So I pick 2 packs and I move ahead. Yeah, you can see the price around 2,000 something. Eggs are expensive. Not only here, I even heard even in Nigeria, things are so expensive, especially eggs. So you can see the price. So I moved ahead to pick my sugar. Yeah, I picked 2 packs of sugar. I'm just buying things to have it at home because sometimes I woke up in the midnight, I'm bored, I feel like baking. I can move to the kitchen and start doing something, yeah, and filming something. That's the way. So it's better I have all these things in hand at home so that anytime I feel like baking, I won't be worried about the ingredients because I have it in the house. It's all about calm down, miss, and that's all. So I picked the sugar and I also checked for other things I needed for this. I was looking for icing sugar. Finally, I found it. So it was very hard for me to locate it because Nigeria icing sugar and UK icing sugar is not the same. This is me looking for the icing sugar, but finally I saw the pack of the says icing sugar. I have to pick 2 packs because I need to bake for a long time, but I don't know when I'm doing this baking, but at least let them be down in my house. So I picked 2 packs. And that was all for the icing sugar. So I moved ahead to check for some other things. I noticed this seltzer or this baking side, there is no butter. There is no butter here. So these already made cakes, you can see. If you want a ready made cake, just come by. That's all £15, £12, around 12,000 something, or even 13,000, £15, 15. These small cake you're seeing right here. Some cupcakes are all lined there. So you can see everywhere cake packets there. So they are being packaged in different shapes and different beautiful designs. So I moved ahead to check for the butter. I have to ask Christian because at this junction I don't know where to get it. I don't know where to get the icing butter. So I have to ask Christian. The guy directed me. It's very, very far place around the fridge side. So I have to move down to pick the butter before I have any other thing. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome. Please do well by joining this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be a part of this channel. Yes, just be a part of this channel. So I finally saw the cheese right here. I know that means butter will be somewhere here. So looking around, I finally saw the butter. Finally, yeah. So I saw this one, 50p. If you turn it to Naira, it's around 600 or 700. But I was like, it's not looking it. Who am I? Am I really sure this butter? I was checking to see boldly written on it butter. So I said this one, let me be sure of what I'm buying. So I have to pick the one I saw that is boldly written butter. So I picked 4 of it. Each one is around 250 grams. This is the one I wanted to pick, but I'm not sure of it. So I have to leave it and go for the one that I'm seeing butter boldly written on it. So each one is around 250 grams here. I picked 4. That's around 1 kg. So I picked 4. Like I said, I'm just stocking my house so that anytime I want to bake, to be very, very easy for me to do so. So I moved ahead to check out other things. I needed milk, liquid milk, evaporated milk. So I set out to go look for the milk. So to my old subscribers, you are all welcome to this channel. Yeah. Thank you so much for always tuning on. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all your good works. Thank you so much. So finally I saw the milk side. So I moved straight and picked my evaporated milk. I picked 2 things, right? Or 3. I picked just 2 things. And that was it. I'm done with this shopping. Yeah, I'm done. But finally I noticed I needed corn flour. So I later went back and picked corn flour. It's very important. Some people don't use corn flour when they bake, but I love at least let it be around me in case I need it. So I moved ahead to pay for the things and ready to go. Everything about this country, you have to queue up. So I have to wait for the man in my front to pay for his own things while I do the same for mine. So I started bringing out my items, and that was it. I paid for everything, and finally I was on my way going. Like I said before, if you're still new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support me by subscribing, like, share this video. I love you all. Don't forget to like my video. It's important you like this video. Very, very important you like this video. I'm done with that shopping. Okay, in summary, this shopping costs me about 39 pounds. Yes, if you convert to naira, it will be around 40 something thousand. Yeah, for all this. That is it. Bye.